Welcome student in fifth session of solid state. In previous video we had seen the type of unit cells, that is simple cubic cell, body centered cubic cell and face centered cubic cell, that is SCC, BCC and FCC, and we calculated as a packing efficiency of each type of cell. Now today's lecture I am going to teach you three topics. First one is voids, coordination number and types of packing. Voids means empty or unoccupied space is known as voids, that is empty space or a unoccupied space is known as voids. And coordination number, the number of neighboring spheres that touch any given sphere is its coordination number. The number which gives the neighboring spheres that touch any given spheres is its coordination number. And by the coordination number we can identify the geometry of that voids or crystals. Okay. And third topic is types of packing. It is a detailed I am giving you detailed study by drawing the diagrams. So first there are three types of packing. First one is a close packing in one dimension. Close packing in one dimension, and it is also known as a linear packing. Then second one is close packing in two dimension, or it is planar packing. And third C, it is close packing, close packing in three dimension. So first one is close packing in one dimension, close packing in two dimension and close packing in three dimension. So third point is packing of solids, and packing of solids are of three types. First one is one dimensional, and it is also known as a linear packing. Then two dimensional, it is also known as a planar packing, and three dimensional packing. Linear packing, a close packed one dimensional structure results by arranging the spheres to touch each other in a row. This is a row. One dimension can be obtained by forming a row by touching each sphere to one another. Okay, and in this case, except first and last, each sphere is touching two other spheres, so its coordination number is 2. Coordination number is 2. Next type is two-dimensional close packing, or it is also known as a planar packing. A close packed two-dimensional structure results by stacking the rows together such that they are in contact with each other. Each row is touching and they are in contact with each other. There are two ways to obtain close packing. This close packing, two-dimensional packing, is obtained in two ways. First one is square close packing and second one is hexagonal close packing. In square close packing, one-dimensional rows of close packed spheres are stacked over each other such that the spheres align vertically and horizontally. If the first row is labeled as A type, being exactly same as the first row, the second row is also labeled as A type, and This type two-dimensional arrangement, it is also known as AAA type. A type or square close packing or square close two-dimensional arrangement. Every sphere touches four neighboring spheres. Look at this. If we consider this sphere is touching to another four spheres, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hence, two-dimensional coordination number is, in this two-dimensional square closed packing, coordination number is 4. A square is obtained by joining the centers of these four closest neighboring spheres, and therefore this two-dimensional close packing is also called as square close packing in two dimensions. Is it clear? Each sphere is touching another four spheres, so its coordination number is 4. And look at the voids. Voids means empty or unoccupied space. This is empty space, and this forms a square close. That is, it has a square voids. Okay. Then second type is hexagonal close packing. Close packed one-dimensional rows shows that there are depression between the neighboring spheres. If the second row is arranged in such a way that its sphere fit in the depression of the first row. A stacked arrangement results if the first row is A type row, the second row being different, it is B type row. And this type of, when these are A, B, they are stacked together, they form a hexagonal close packing, and it is also known as AB type. AB type. In this arrangement, each sphere, if we consider this sphere, in this arrangement each sphere is touching nearest or neighboring close 6 spheres. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One sphere is touching another 6 spheres, so its coordination number is 6. Hence, this type of two-dimensional close packing is also called as hexagonal close packing in two dimension. Compared to the square close packing in two dimension, the coordination number in hexagonal close packing in two dimensions is higher. Moreover, the free space in this arrangement is less. In this arrangement, free space is less. In this arrangement, free space is large. That is, voids are more in square close packing as compared to hexagonal packing. And in this, triangular voids are present. See, triangular voids are present, and in this, square voids are present. Okay. Now next is close packing in three dimensions. Close packing three dimensions are also of two types. First one, stacking of square close packed layers. Square close packed layers. A stacking of square close packed layers generates three-dimensional simple cubic structure. Here the second layer is placed over the first layer so as to have its spheres exactly above those of the first layer. Subsequent square close packed layers are placed one above the other in same manner. And in this arrangement, spheres of all the layers are perfectly aligned horizontally as well as vertically. Hence, all the layers are alike and are labeled as A layers. This arrangement of layers is described as AAA type. The structure that results on stacking square close packed layers is a simple cubic. Its unit cell is primitive cubic unit cell. It can be seen that in the simple cubic structure, each sphere touches 6 neighboring spheres, 4 in its own layer, 1 in the layer above and 1 in the layer below. Hence, its coordination number is 6. Polonium is the only metal that crystallizes in simple cubic closed packed structure, that is polonium. Example is polonium. Second type is stacking of two hexagonal close packed layers. To generate a close packed three-dimensional structure, hexagonal close packed layers are arranged in a particular manner. In doing so, spheres of the second layer are placed in the depression of the first layer. If the first layer is labeled as A, the second layer is labeled as B. Because the two layers are aligned differently, it is evident from the figure that all triangular voids of the first layer are not covered by the spheres of second layer. The triangular voids that are covered by spheres of the second layer generate tetrahedral voids. A tetrahedral void is surrounded by 4 spheres. On joining the centers of these 4 spheres, a tetrahedron is formed, which encloses the tetrahedral voids. The remaining triangular voids of the first layer have above them the triangular voids of the second layer. The overlapping triangular voids from the two layers together form an octahedral voids, which is surrounded by 6 spheres. So, in this case, octahedral means coordination number is 8. Is it clear, student? Voids means empty or unoccupied space, and coordination number means the number of spheres which touches one sphere by neighboring spheres that touch any given sphere is its coordination number. I will repeat it again. The number of neighboring spheres that touch any given sphere is its coordination number. Okay. Thank you.